forget to support the bar also, no? En kokos en goede en so aan dus. However, hoe kan ik altijd mensen vragen wat een single is, no? It's because for a long time I was single, right? And then I had to ask myself, what's the wrong with you? You got your head screwed on properly. Banging body, even if I must say so myself. So what is wrong? Then I realized that I've been single for so long because I was waiting for that one guy that is as consistent as the fucking Maverick Spanner flying kite every single day. Where's the fucking line? The economy crash. Niemand het geld, je weet niet hoeveel als ik toch op een plein doe elke dag. And it's become like our GPS. If you don't know where you are, you want to go to Cape Town, look up, just follow the fucking banner. And it's become our true north. So I'm going to divide you guys up now into 2 sections or 3 sections. This here is side A. So when I say side A, make some noise. Side B, mulai tentu senang bahasa boring. Side B, here in the middle, make some noise. Ik kom nog daar, niet meer lang eens kikir. Ik van nou side C, nothing kaya licha, bisa. Side C, make some noise. Okay. So wanneer ik daar say to introduce the next act, you look right? Also must look practice.
Yeah.
So the next act introducing by myself. Side A, side B, side C. Make some noise for your very first act. These are the ready songs. I'm going to say I'm a takan bang aja ni maya naman. You wipe me out. You go to hospital, Lisa. Be ready, right? Everybody, make some noise for your first act coming to the stage. He goes by the name of Eugene Vanderbilt.
Oh, I see. Yeah. Don't I look at dodgy there? Yeah, I mean, I can't help it, man. Yeah, I didn't make myself, like, you know what I mean? Yeah. If I had the opportunity to make myself, I would make myself look just the way I am. I love myself. You guys, see you guys are quite excited about myself. Moenie worry nie, dinge gaan nou ruk. Hy man skree van Suid-Ooster, hou nie tyd vir hy kat nou nie. Yeah, guys, we here for this comedy show, our friend here, you know. But you must also want to hear our stories, man. You know, the cut that we went through, but you would like our stories, man, to relate with your stories so that you can also laugh, man. Sing that, right? Like, here we go, man. Sing that. Okay, I'm single now. Yeah, I'm talking kak, my partner's here. Just in case you guys maybe want to. I'm from Bonteheuwel. Who's from Bonteheuwel here? Okay, in denial. Nobody here from Bonteheuwel. It's kak dangerous, by the way, in Bonteheuwel. Yeah, so dangerous in Bonteheuwel at night. The pigeons turn to bats. Gevaarlijk in Bonteheuwel. It's alright. It's kind of laag met die kak. You know what I mean? Ja, dat is lekker. Guys, maar vir my man, vir my om te date man. Sien jy, wat ek nou single gewees het nou. Like guys, I went through basically anyone. Like, you know what I mean? As you guys can tell, I must look up desperate. So I will date basically anyone. Enough of them. My bro, you laughing, you sitting next to a man. You make the makeup. Of was julle op rol julle soos hy. Grinded date of wat is it like? You know what I mean? My bro, have you ever been so desperate that you will sommer date 'n beggie? You will get a beggie gaan date alweer. You know what I mean? I will go out. I don't care. I just went out with just about anyone, just like that. Bah, sien jy? En ek meen ek het een kyk, guys. And it's lekker when you in a relationship. It's lekker when you there texting with one another. It's lekker. Because you must hear us when you talk here and chat, hi, how's it, and so on. You must lekker get to know one another, and you think you know this person. Like, you know what I mean? Until you move in with this person, and then you find out about this person that you didn't know. Like, you know what I mean? Because like, you know, because like women are different. Women are different. Women will say, I love you first, like in most cases. Like, you know what I mean? They will say, I love you. Us guys, we say, okay. You know what I mean? It's like, oh yeah. Like, and then she will tell the people, oh, I love him. You know, he's my baby. I want to move in with him. Like, you know. But us guys also understand, man. Like, you know what I mean? When we have a chat to our friends, we were like, nice, is duidelijk my bro, man. Sien like, is alright te kan hy, man. Jy het al 'n ander gozer uitgecheckt al, maar... Ja, nee. Like, you don't want to tell the guys you love her, man. You were like, nice. Sy's alright te kan, man. Sien like... But, look, guys, you find out about this person when you're living with this person. Like, you know what I mean? Like, you find out that this bar is not so hygienic. But my name is Eugene, so I'm very hygienic, like, you know what I mean? You find out, you didn't know that this person can't make custard. Hy van die kak uit, nou wat jy saam met die persoon bly. Mense maak beef mint soup. Also known as lasagna. Maar hy kan nie friete maak nie. You find this kak out, man, when you're living with this person. Now you start teaching one another stuff, man. You teach one another stuff, because you must in love. You phone one another from work. What you gonna do? You teach one another stuff. You teach him this, she teach you that. I once taught my ex to drive and then she drove off. Fucking gaan sy fucking tools is in die boot. You know what I mean? Fucking man, ken ek mos sy tools nodig, man, verstaan? Ja, you move on, man, verstaan? Get over it, God. It's a joke now, it wasn't a joke that time, but we can laugh, it's alright. My bro, that bara is in a wheelchair there. I got one friend of mine, Gerard Siebert, he's also a comedian. He's in a wheelchair, he's not here tonight. I think he's still on his way, you know what I mean? Say, it's fine. We inequality, we can make jokes, like, you know what I mean? God, me bro, I once dated a woman that had a stroke, me bro. Then we can laugh about it. It's equality here, guys. Because like I will go out with anyone, anyone. I went out. Guys, have you ever been on a blind date? I've been on a blind date, and it changes you, man. It changes you when you go out with people like that. And we must think about change. We can change. It's possible. Het is mogelijk voor ons om te change. It's possible. They made Vanguard Drive. They changed Vanguard Drive into Jake's Farewell. Moderdam Road is now Moderdam Road. They made Moderdam Road. They changed it into what's it now? Some Robert Sobukwe. It's possible for us to change people. A secular's way is now Nelson Mandela Boulevard. It's a boulevard. It's a boulevard, people. It's possible for us to change. Like, you know, but I mean, I'm thinking to myself, who is Jake's Farewell? Who's Jake's? Like, you know what I mean? I mean, I'm a mechanic. I know Jake's is a spinner boy. Ik zie Jake's, my bro, ben ik spinner. It's it, class, puppy. And then we hear about TD Jake's. Fuck, ek weet wie Zuids is, man. Can't praat hier. And then they want to, guys, change is possible. They want to change the airport here to Winnie Mandela Airport. What do you guys think? This Cape Town International Airport here, they want to change to Winnie Mandela Airport. What do you guys think? Because I mean, she's done a lot for us, for the people, for Stompie. I mean, but she's done a lot. She's done. D3 was like, oh fuck, I'm kind of sensitive. Like, you know what I mean? It's alright, it's comedy, we can laugh about this stuff. Like, you know what I mean? But I'm thinking, since as we're accepting the changes, what are we gonna do if they change Boerewors to Zuluwors? Are you still gonna eat? Are you still gonna eat? Colleague Blondie, kyk vir my, Blondie kyk in haar phone, amper asof het a glowing vibrator is. Blondie, what are you doing in your phone? I mean guys, you guys have been eating Boerewors for a long time. I'm not gay, but I'm quite excited to bite down into a long piece of Zulu roast. Yeah, we can say that to colored wars, my bro. We can say that to colored wars. We just gonna have to fix it in Mfuleni. Mfuleni, my bro. I got jokes. Ja. Ja, ek weet wat julle dink oor die soet. Dis die paaste se soet. Hy ken nou by die klein vlei wat gaan zorg. Wat jokes. But it's lekker, man. Like, you know what I mean? It's lekker when you, it's lekker when you're dating, man. Verstaan jy nou? The question of if you're dating a girl that's got a stroke, you know she's not gonna fucking run away from you. You know what I'm saying? Right? And it forces you to be a gentleman. You must open the door every time. En ek kry nie 'n automatic car, ek voet sê, sy gaan nie weer ry nie, is manual. Is manual. Yeah. Yeah, but the thing is this, like, the coolest part about dating someone that has a stroke, no? Like, the people always judge me and they say, yeah, but why do you make jokes of when you went out with a girl that had a stroke? So people that had a stroke is not supposed to go out. Is that what you were saying? Must they now sit at home? Which, like, it's just us able-bodied people. You look at that, but also come out, he's also hopeful. You might don't think it's not working. It's fucking working. Ask him. It's working. Why would you think, why would he be here? That big. You know what I mean? People ask, but you know what I'm saying? Yeah. And then I talked to this girl, Sinto. She's blind. You're not here. Hulle kan nie fuck. No. It's not here. It's here. A-time. You must have A-time. Sy moet hulle phone directly. Talk to them. Who knows a Santal here? I bet there's a Santal somewhere here. Okay. Is there a Santal in the house?
Not Santal anymore. Chantal.
My bro. Chantal and Santal, two different people. Oh, same name. They spell it exactly the same. But it's the side where you from. Santal. Talk to this girl. My bro, lekker go talk to her. Hi, Santal. Yes, man, I want to come out and come and meet you. Where about do you live? She tell me now she live on the premises of Athlone School for the Blind. Ek fucking ry in Athlone rond vir 'n uur. Ek soek vir Athlone School for the Blind. Grassy Park, as jy Athlone School for the Blind, as ou eises, ek weet ek het daar ook gedink. If you want to change the name. Athlone School for the Blind is hier agter in Glenheim, hier agter. Ek stiek uit by Sento. Guys, it's an amazing experience. You guys must go and try it. The once a year, we sponsor them now. I'm a full-on sponsor of them also. You know, I'm on that side of the game now. Ek is a full-on sponsor at No School for the Blind. Every year, Blondie. Ek is daar. They have dinner in the dark. Oh, julle was daar. Julle was daar. Sien julle, ek lieg nie. That dinner in the dark, guys. That dinner in the dark, guys, is an amazing experience. You're not supposed to see what you, they blindfold you, mama, they blindfold you. Mama, they blindfold you. And then you must look for your food here on the plate here. Sy moet nou, maar wat is mos, but I'm from Bontiel, verstaan jy? Ek het huisie gespeel, sy was voor, ek het broekskote geskat van hy dit af. So I know about finding stuff in the dark. Hoekom lang sy ken nie van broekskote nie. Nou, but broekskote is amazing, guys. Guys, broekskote is amazing. It's safe. There was no teenage pregnancies like in our time. Sy ook net yes. Sy ook net yes. Ek is 55, hoeveel oud is sy? Nee, sy kan nie yes, sy het gehoor van hy. Hy mense raakter, keppies kan yes. Nou, keppies. Sy antie wil die rooi ook. Nee, die reed sy weet ook van broekskote. Ons is we are the broekskote aids. Kijk, die number one Kelly. Say there ain't nothing wrong with a little pump and grind. Was it a pump and grind? Was pump and grind it? Hy goes sa ma, Auntie Sylvia se vir haar dogter 'n eierpentie aan. Sy gaan heel nag pump and grind. We was Jillian. We was there, we were broekskoting. Dit was lekker. Ek is altyd die pa. So die pa is. Ek so dat ek die pa is, ja. Hy kan maar nie, as ek die dokter is, dan moet sy strip. Ja, nou sê hier is maar die girl, jong. We have dinner in the dark. Things go lekker, man. Things are going lekker. Nou, sê, kijk, guys, het is gaan jolly. Dat die ding ruk. Verstaan jy nou? Now guys, I'm looking for the real thing. I don't want to go home and masturbate. Waarvoor hang jy over sig so? Hy weet. Daarom weet jy hoekom lag hy. Hy weet. Professionals kom aan haar buiten. He knows. But I think I was a step ahead of him. I was an ambidextrous masturbator. Hoor hoe lag julle, die helfte van julle video fok wat ambidextrous is. Keppies, ambidextrous is when you can masturbate with your left and your right hand. Ladies and gentlemen, I used to masturbate such a lot when I used to sit on my one hand till my hand falls asleep. And when I masturbate, it feels like someone else. That is how much I used to masturbate. Kijk, bra, ek gee allemaal sy secrets uit. Waarom kyk jy so? My bro, have you ever been so horny that you masturbate in doggy style, my bro? In doggy style, my bro. In doggy style, my bro.
Doggy style. And the skill. I can see like.
Wat praat sy van hy is 'n skill? He's that bra there. He's the type of bra. Hy trek sy move hier, in die sawa. Nog 'n skill. I don't want to go masturbating, guys. I want the real thing. This is why I'm here out dating anything. I don't want the blow-up doll. I want the real. Verstaan jy? En nou sê ek hier by the Etno School for the Blind, dinner in the dark, klaar geëet, mashed potatoes, lasagne, beef minsoep. Sy lag man, sy het dit al gemaak. Dis hoekom sy lag. Hy auntie wat in die middel sit, sy het die heel eerste try van op 'n beef minsoep, toe sit beef minsoep for real. Nou sê ek saam met die girl. And don't underestimate blind people. Blind people ruk. My bro, how many kids do you have? 2. Hulle 2 weet die fucking kinders. Ons wit.
I can see it.
Ons wit. My bro, brother, at the back here. Uncle Williams. Tell me, how many kids do you have?
3 with my ex-wife and that was my new wife.
3 with your ex-wife. Jy moet net emphasize aan met jou ex-wife. Waar het jou ex-wife in die gang bring? Jy kan mos net gesê dat 3 kids. Daai is die ding van die ex, besigheid. Dis why soek jy 'n fucking ex man. Hulle is nooit klaar nie. Hulle praat altyd van my ex. Don't underestimate a blind person. My bro, Stevie Wonder, het geruk. Did you know that Stevie Wonder has got 9 children from 5 different women? Google hy kak. Julle is mos op die phone die hele tyd. Gaan kyk daar. Stevie Wonder has got 9 children from 5 different women. Hy was connected.
Yes.
En hy kan nie eens gefokken sien het waar gaan en nie weet nie hoe te fok het hy gemaak. I don't know. Ja, ek meen maar nou guys. Wat het hy gemaak? Hy gaat soek. Hy voor jou. You know what I mean? I've got 1. You've got 2. Okay, wil nie van hom praat want ons bring ons die ex, wie sê dit? My bro, Blondie, hoeveel kinders het julle?
Ek het 3 seuns.
Het sy 3 seuns? Hoekom sê sy nie ons het 3 seuns?
Spring.
Oh my shit.
Friend zone. Not friend zone.
My bro,
Not friend zone.
you are a friend. But why are you? You must wait for me to say you are in the friend zone. I will decide. As amper soos 'n goose wat sê ek like sexy. We will decide if you are sexy. Don't you say that you are sexy. We will decide if you are sexy or not. So it's official. You are in the friend zone. Okay. Maar it's lekker man. Instant family, just
Take
add
the
water
wood.
and stir. Ja, gaan ze. Stevie Wonder, my bro, got 9 children from 5 different women. Do you know what that means, my bro? Stevie Wonder beat you and I with his eyes closed, my bro. Isn't she lovely? Nou, kijk, jullie gaan zien hij nummer zien, want hij zei happy birthday to you. Hij is ook naam, maar hij is maar allemaal zijn kinders. Happy birthday. Hier zag die kind van mij af, ja. I hope you at least brought for us a bottle of champagne. Ik kijk die goose. Ik denk, zij kan ons niet zien. You know what I mean? Toen haal ik mijn borrel obi uit. Maak voor mooikies op. En ik vat mijn ene en ik zeg, bubbles. Hier is jou champagne. Ik vertel je van champagne. Zij kan het niet zien. Zij kan niet zien. Zij, what you can't see, bubbles, drink. Nee, die doploop girls. Kijk, die toerak die ding. Toe, ruk die ding, toe die doploop. Kijk eens aan, nou komt die goose maar nou, kijk hier, als mos nou, kom. Skink ek skink vir haar, ek weet mos nou, ek moet nou vir jou overlimit, nou kom. Ek skink vir my, kom. Kijk, guys, ek moet nog eens toe ry, Ek kan nie, julle weet van drinking en driving, ek dink mos nou man. En verder gooi net kom. En dat gaat lekker joh, achterna zit ze pakken en die girls nog al lekker nou. Kijk, en die begint dus het maar lekker, oh no, yes you know, and oh no, yes you fly. En toen zat die goes nog van mij af, ja, I want to see what you look like. Ik denk, wat is in die obi?
Obi.
Nou, ek vat dit so bietjie, ek het verdwaal in die etlou. Sy wil sien hoe ek lyk, dan gaan sy vir my moet soek. En die girl soek vir my in hy kamer, jong. Sy sê nou, go, don't you go nowhere. Hey, verstaan, ek kan sê in hy kleine kamertje, don't you go nowhere, baby. Now, blind people, blind people, if they want to see what you look like, they have to touch you. Not in inappropriate places, they have to touch your face. She het my mos nou vastgedruk. En my moet nou vastgedruk in die hoek. Sien jy? En okay, maar ek wil vastgedruk wees, maar ek verstaan. Sy druk my vast, nou, kyk, haar is mos so, mos nou omgedraai, so, sien jy? En sy vat so, en sy sê vir my, oh my word, oh you look dodgy.
Make some noise for Eugene Cannonball! Weet julle die ding van comedy is, no? The sad part is, dat die kant wat ons hier praat is die waarheid, my. It must be raw and authentic. Nie, wat sê ons woord nog wel, bro? Platonic. Ek soek 'n gin and tonic. Met ys, ja, dankie man, met ys. You know, it must be real and raw because to me, Eugene look like a dodge, bra. Ons almal ken hy, bra, in die jolen. 2 o'clock in the morning, wanneer die youngsters nou weggaan, hulle gaan ons pad na die ander plek toe, ek kom hy, bra, so om. You wanna jazz, Totdat die man ja sê, my broer, ek kan die waarheid. Are you guys